Okay, on this Buick Regal, I'm going to remove the this cover here to access the blower motor resistor. Okay, here's the blower motor resistor right here. I've disconnected this connector. I'm going to set the connector in there so you can see where it goes. This connector here, disconnected that one. There's another wire that goes to the blower motor itself. See, that purple and black wire goes to the blower motor. It's like somebody's been here before, because there's 3 screws. There's 2 in the back that are very difficult to reach. You just loosen those, and then there's 1 screw in the front. It takes a 5.5 millimeter socket. You take the one in the front all the way off and loosen the 2 in the back, and it's supposed to give you enough room to get it out. So that's what I just did. I got the resistor out. This is the for automatic controls resistor. So all that's left is just to disconnect this wire here from the blower motor. That purple and black wire, just disconnect that one. Okay, here's the resistor. Remove. These 2 slots are open, so you just slide it out and you tighten this one down all the way. This one goes to the blower motor. So you get a screwdriver and you push this down and out, and it comes out of the blower motor. So I'm going to install the new one. So this is the new blower motor resistor. This one has a red and black wire instead of purple and black. So I'm going to install is reverse the removal. It goes in like this. So I slide this in here, and then screw this, put the screw in here. Okay, there's a new resistor installed. All the wires are connected. Next I'm going to put the reconnect this light and put this panel that goes over here on. It works in all settings. So that's how I replace the blower motor resistor in this Buick Regal.